A powerful storm outbreak is impacting parts of Romania, bringing severe weather conditions and dangerous atmospheric instability. In Poiana Mare, strong storms were reported spreading toward the southern regions of the country, raising concerns over rapidly changing weather. In Bihor County, areas including Oradea, Hidishel de Jos, and Margita experienced intense thunderstorms with extremely strong wind gusts. The situation became more severe in Oradea's Rogerius district, where a hailstorm was reported during the afternoon. Local weather warnings highlighted the risk of developing thunderstorms caused by unstable atmospheric conditions. Residents were advised to avoid standing under trees and parking vehicles near trees during the storm due to the threat of falling branches and powerful winds. This extreme weather event shows how quickly severe storms can develop and why preparedness remains crucial.